What's up, y'all? Back at it again with this week's edition of Build Breakdown. Today, we are doing an update on the homie Blake's OBS Chevy. Me and Blake have become great friends now while doing this car. And man, I gotta fuck with this fool. So he's late as usual. So what I've noticed, and I've been bugging this fool on it, is Blake's got a very distinct laugh. Sounds like a fucking old ass carbureted Cadillac starting up. So I'm gonna see if he can fucking come in here. I can get him to laugh. Sounds something like this. All right, hold on. Hold on one second. Man, sometimes I be having too much fun with this shit.
Yo.
Hey, where you at? Hurry up, man. We late.
I'm pulling up right now. I'm walking in.
All right, peace. All right, gotta get this phone. Anyway, we got some good feedback and good progress on his shit right now, so we'll see what's up. Yeah!
Fucking dickhead.
Man. All right.
Every day, just so the people at home, I get a voice message around 9, 10 in the morning.
Oh, my God.
I can't even laugh.
All right. Focus, fool, focus. So I know you've already seen the wheels, not on the truck. I got Austin finish up the rear suspension on it, so let's go check them out. You ready?
Absolutely.
Dog, you're fucking
You wouldn't let me put him on when we got him, so.
Dog, impersonating your laugh. Got you fucking hoarse over here. Dog. My voice is fucking gone now and shit. Fucked up. All right. You ready though?
Oh yeah.
You ready? Yeah, boy. Ooh, we look at them motherfuckers though. Ooh, we look at them motherfuckers though. Yeah.
I know you fucking lying.
Yeah. Huh?
This is the Forgiato.
Yeah, so that's that new Forgiato.
These 24s?
They 10s, but we keep them clean. Yeah.
What cars you get these off of?
So you gonna pull up everywhere. Fucking hurting people. Hurting feelings, dog.
They're not gonna know what hit them. This at least 14, right?
Nah, it's 8. 8. So, you know, this kind of changed the whole game.
Woo!
Yeah?
They so Forgiato, they don't even have the F on them.
You got a marker? All right. Let's get back to business, all right? Back to business. So I'll mark up the wheel last for you, all right? For now, I'm trying to figure out where we left off last time, but we'll start off with the front suspension, okay? Obviously, Blake has been here for some of this. He's seen majority of this mock-up. The Stone Fab custom suspension, the tubular up arms, lower arms, the steering, and then the airbags are all mounted. Mondo killed all the framework on it. So did Austin. Pretty much notched everything. We got the bags on, the steering on, and the little shop Willwood brake setup. Oh shit! We have to take this shit off. I'm over here fucking around, fucking up the video. All right. So it's the little shop 6-piston calipers, floating rotor up top. This suspension, which you'll see later with the wheel, cycles probably halfway up to the firewall. So we're gonna have to notch this firewall to clear these 24s for him. All right, how you like that though?
Oh yeah.
Looking good?
His setup is clean.
All right, so I know you're gonna love what Vlad did with you for this.
Oh yeah.
All right?
Yeah, you know this caught my eye right away.
Bitch, nothing caught your eye.
Huh?
Nothing caught your eye.
Nah, cause people at home, I'm colorblind, so.
Hold on. We'll talk about this real quick. So basically, Vlad pretty much broke down the motor. Heads are out getting redone. It's the LS3 intake, valve covers, coil packs, and the motor have all been painted. And actually, shit, where you at? Vlad, what's the color? What's this color?
It's like torch red.
Absolutely red? Okay, so this is absolutely red. And we ended up painting the motor and everything a Monza red, which is Monza but red. came out looking orange. So I sent Blake a video of everything in the paint booth just to get his opinion on it, make sure he liked it. To me, it was like a little bit of a reddish orange. If you talk to Vlad, it was straight orange. Long story short, I hit up Blake, sent it to him. He's all, it looks fire. I said, look good? He's like, yeah. I said, looks red? He's like, yeah. He's all, oh fuck, you know what? I'll let you finish that shit.
So he hit me, sent me the pictures, and I had to break it down for him. I was like, you know what, Steve, I can't even see if it's red because I'm colorblind. So I'm gonna take your word for it that it's red. He didn't like it, Vlad didn't like it. They ended up putting it back in the booth. This is what the turnout was. I can see this and I can tell this is red, and this is outstanding. It's spot on for what I wanted. Spot on for what I wanted.
How you gonna say it's outstanding? You can't even tell what color it is.
Listen, in my mind, I can smell colors, you feel me?
All right. Whatever you say, whatever you say. All right, so let's keep it moving. Progress on the rear. Right now we got the C-notch partially welded. Austin pretty much broke down the rear of the frame because we got rid of the original frame supports, all the bumper brackets, and we're gonna end up doing a support bracket here. And then everything in here is gonna be free floating. We gotta tack up the axle, blow off this front mount, and then we're gonna actually remake all the mounts for the control arms for the air ride. So hopefully that shit will be done or at least ready by mid next week. So we can actually get this thing. I wanna have this thing pretty much set on some blocks of wood on all 4 wheels so we can see how low it lays out. But once again, how you liking this project?
That last part you said, putting it on blocks so we can see it laid out, is
got to.
I think that's
my thing is, I want to make sure that this notch is high enough.
Yeah.
So my mind this whole time, I had your wheels pretty much sitting flush with the cab.
Yeah.
All right. Especially in the back, it should be tucking lower. So I'm expecting at least have half of the lip tucking in the rear. The front should be about maybe a quarter of it.
Okay.
You know. This is where this bitch should be laying out. Oh, fuck, all the fenders up, stop. Shit, that would've been nice if I could kind of set the fender. But anyway, you can get the gist of it. If that's your fucking rocker, right? The rocker is literally probably about 2 inches higher than that. So when I say this thing gonna lay out, nah.
She really gonna lay out.
Yeah. So we're gonna end up doing some tubs. We'll cut the firewall back. We're gonna end up cutting the firewall part up here, and then
notch it back.
Yeah, because I mean, once again, there's no tire on it.
Yeah.
So. But
and then these brackets, what were these for?
For your color reading glasses. It's a support for the fender. So for the original fender liner. Yeah. So we don't need that.
Oh, the fender. Okay.
You don't need it.
And what's crazy is these brakes are so big, but compared to this wheel, they look so small.
What's up?
The brake. How big is the rotor? Like
14, I think.
So 14.
No.
It looks like it. It's not too far off from the wheel. Is it a little bigger?
From the wheel?
I mean, from this angle, but I'm also higher.
You telling me that rotor looks close to the size of the wheel?
I'm saying that rotor without the wheel looks massive,
but
with the wheel on, that shit looks so
it's like
tiny.
I think it's like a 13 or 14 inch rotor.
Which is big. That shit would not fit on the 15s I had.
No. So you've been by, probably about maybe 3 times since we started on it? Mm-hmm. How's the progress been to you?
Progress is amazing, honestly.
Above your expectations?
Oh, by far. I told him off camera, I'm like, it seems to me it's moving along a lot faster than I expected, which is from a what am I, a buyer, I guess, or a client standpoint. I'm excited as fuck because I keep just imagining all the places I can go with it, all the shit I can do with it, you know, all the adventures, all the beach trips and all that. And in my head, I feel like I'm getting closer to that. And every time I've come here, I've kind of had to like take a step back and be like, oh shit, like that's a lot of work that's been done. So I couldn't be happier with the progress.
So you sound like a Blue Cross commercial or something like that right now.
Hey, listen, put me there. It's my big moment.
All the trips I could take, all the beach events, all the
Yeah, you know.
Bitch, you
before-
gonna drive the truck. That's it.
We gonna do some. I was trying to be PG. We're gonna do some ignorant shit with this motherfucker.
You're not PG, man. All right? We've gotten past.
Ain't
that.
nothing about this shop
Yeah.
PG.
All right. Anyway, before this shit drags on, that's pretty much where we're at. Hopefully by next week, we'll get the rear setup on the suspension done. We're waiting for the transmission to come back from the tranny shop, and then we can actually assemble the motor with the heads, set that thing in. So next views I'd like to see is with this literally sitting. We got those blocks over there.
Yeah.
To set it on all fours with the motor in.
With tires on.
I don't know if I'm gonna do the tires yet because I want to see how low it lays.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put it on the wood first to see.
If
that's kinda
with
depending
the
on what
motor
tire
in,
we
we're
got.
not gonna run anything, right?
What's up?
Are we gonna start it?
Nah. Oh, we got a long ways for that. A long ways for that. Yeah, you need basically half of what Adrian has over there, which is wiring, all that other shit, which we're not even close to that yet.
Oh yeah, no.
But for what we've done, this is good.
Oh hell
this is
yeah.
good.
Hey,
The team's been killing it, man. I'm proud of them as usual.
all of them.
All right.
Shout them out. Austin, Vlad,
Mondo,
you, Mondo. Who else is
Nando.
Nando? Oh yeah, Nando had
Yeah,
it.
I don't know if Pringle did anything, but
Pringle will, no?
no, Pringle just.
We'll give Pringle credit.
He was just frustrating everybody, as he normally does, but it's good. It's good.
Appreciate you.
He keeps us balanced, all right? As usual. As we've been doing, I want to thank all the subscribers that have subscribed to the channel, especially ones for this build. But get on our YouTube channel, subscribe, like, tell everybody. Tell your mama, tell your sister, tell your grandmother, tell your
mama's mama.
your laugh therapist, because that motherfucker gonna need somebody in a minute. All right. Peace. All right, cool.
What did I do?
Nothing. You gotta blame your parents.